Alright, this is not the regular tech video, fun video. This is more a video I want to talk about. This is a video about Avicii. So Tim Bergling, Avicii died yesterday evening in Oman. He was only 28 years old, and that's pretty weird for me because he's still young. He's almost my age. He's a bit older, but he died, and that's not cool. He stopped touring 2 years ago because his health was pretty bad. He suffered from acute pancreatitis, I think it was. And now suddenly, out of nowhere, he died. It was pretty weird to suddenly get a notification that Avicii was dead. Not because I really don't know him personally. I've never went to a show. But I think it's important to know that Avicii, changed the world of music, in my opinion. I've listened to all his songs. I liked all his songs. That's really my genre, his kind of music. Those cool, tropical, housey tunes. Very cool, very nice, cool beats. He was going to make more music in the studio, but unfortunately, that won't be happening. But why am I making this video? Well, I want to point something out. I've read a lot of Twitter comments about this, and I think it's pretty bad to read some of the comments that people just put on the internet after someone died. He's only not even dead for 24 hours. And I hope Avicii's cause of death isn't suicide. They haven't said what Avicii's cause of death is, yes, but we young folks should take this as a warning to chill out. Homie was only 28 and had developed acute pancreatitis from excessive drinking. I can't help but think drug overdose or suicide. There, Avicii died, heard the cause of death being he took a pill in Ibiza. Then also someone said Avicii cause of death confirmed. Coroner says swallowing hard drinks to brag about it, consuming drugs like they were going out of style, and taking a shit on country music proves fatal. Rest in hell, you little sleeping shit. Alright, all these tweets I've just read don't change anything about the fact that Avicii is not coming back. I just think you need to think about the things you're writing online before you tweet them or before you Facebook them. And I wanted to make this video because I don't want to write a tweet about this. I just want to make this video so in the future no one will listen to this video, but I just want to ventilate myself. But in the future I hope more people don't put those tweets online if they don't even know what they are talking about, because right now they're telling that they know what the cause of death is. They are putting Avicii in a bad daylight. They're saying he's overdosed. They're saying he suicides, everything like that, and that's just not cool. Imagine if it was someone you really knew, like personally, family, friend. You probably wouldn't like it if millions or 10,000s of people would say like, yeah, your friend took drugs, and maybe that wasn't even the case. So I think some people are real keyboard warriors who like to go at it online, and who have very little sympathy for other people, who really think the world owes them something, and who really think they have to put it online what they think. I do that as well, but you can do it a little bit more in fashion instead of just putting those stupid tweets online and saying something, spreading a rumor, and just wanting those retweets. So yeah, think about yourself. If you've done a tweet like this, delete your tweet and try not doing it again, I think. But if you don't agree with me, let's have a discussion in the comments. And yeah, I'm really sad about the fact that Avicii died, because I really liked his music and was looking forward to more music. But I think, yeah, that's life.